Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into essential tips for living well every day. From physical health to emotional balance, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock your fullest potential and embrace a life that lights you up from the inside out. How you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Imagine waking up a little earlier and dedicating some time just for you. Gentle stretches, meditation, or journaling. These small, intentional acts of self-care can make a world of difference in how you approach your day. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of moving our bodies. We're designed to move, and when we do, something magical happens. Exercise strengthens our physical health and boosts our mental and emotional well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement each day and experience the transformative power of physical activity. Let's talk about food, not with guilt or restriction, but with a sense of joy and nourishment. Imagine your body as a beautiful garden that needs the right kind of fuel, fresh fruits, lean proteins and whole grains. When we nourish our bodies with these nutrient-rich foods, we feel lighter, brighter and more alive. So let's ditch the processed foods and sugary drinks and embrace a way of eating that makes us feel vibrant and energized. In a world buzzing with distractions, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Mindfulness is about bringing our awareness to the present moment, savoring simple pleasures. Combining mindfulness with gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have. It's in those moments of appreciation that we unlock a deeper sense of joy and contentment. We're not meant to do life alone. We thrive in connection, in the warmth of human interaction, in shared laughter and tears. Make time for the people who light you up and support you through thick and thin. Investing in relationships is investing in your own well-being. Life is an incredible journey of learning and growth. Embrace curiosity, challenge yourself, and expand your horizons. Learning isn't confined to classrooms. It's about exploring passions and discovering hidden talents. Make time for activities that ignite your curiosity and make you feel alive. In a culture that glorifies busyness, it's easy to neglect rest. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity for our physical and mental well-being. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine and create a sleep sanctuary free from screens. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. When we shift our focus from ourselves to others, something incredible happens. Acts of kindness, big or small, have the power to brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. Let's make giving back a part of our daily lives. Goals give us direction, purpose, and a roadmap for creating the life we dream of. Think about what truly matters to you and what brings you joy. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, actionable steps. Don't be afraid to dream big and pursue what sets your soul on fire. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. It's about making time for ourselves and honoring our needs. Self-care looks different for everyone. Find what nourishes your soul and brings you joy. Remember, you deserve to feel happy, healthy, and whole. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine and watch how your life transforms. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and never stop reaching for your dreams.